How to change your Messenger profile picture. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can change your Messenger profile picture. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app. You can see your Messenger profile picture right here. Now, in order to change your Messenger profile picture, you will need to change the profile picture of your Facebook as well. So go ahead and open Facebook on your device. Okay, once you open it, tap on the menu icon right here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, tap on your profile right here. All you need to do is tap on this camera icon right here. You can select your photos from the camera roll. Tap on more and select the photo from your camera roll. Once you select the photo, all you have to do is tap on this save right here at the top, and you can share your update to newsfeed, or you can also not choose to, like this. And once you're done, tap on save and your profile picture will be saved. That means your profile picture has been changed successfully. And that's it. This is how you can change profile picture on your Facebook and your Messenger. Hope this video helped you out. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.